In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved file from AutoRecover in PowerPoint. We've all had that moment when a presentation closes unexpectedly or you exit without saving. The good news is that PowerPoint keeps temporary copies called AutoRecover files that can often bring your work back. Here's how to use that built-in safety net. First, open PowerPoint. You don't need to open the original file. Just launch the app as usual. Starting the program is what allows PowerPoint to check for any recoverable content. Next, head to the place where unsaved files are kept. Go to File, then Open, choose Recent, and select Recover Unsaved Presentations. This option opens a special folder that stores temporary versions created by AutoRecover. Depending on your version, the label may look slightly different, but it will be in the Recent area of the open screen. When the folder opens, you'll see a list of files that PowerPoint saved on your behalf. The names can be generic, so rely on the modified date and time to spot the version you need. Pick the most recent entry that matches when you were working, then click Open. If nothing appears, it usually means there isn't an unsaved copy available for that session. AutoRecover works best right after a crash or an accidental close without saving. Once your presentation opens, take a moment to confirm the slides look right. You might notice that only the last few minutes of changes are missing. That's normal because AutoRecover saves at intervals. Now, lock in your progress immediately. Go to File, choose Save As, and save the recovered file to a safe location. Give it a clear name so you can tell it apart from older versions, and save it in the standard PowerPoint format. Saving right away ensures PowerPoint stops treating it as a temporary file and prevents it from being deleted automatically. A few quick tips to keep in mind. AutoRecover is different from Cloud Autosave. AutoRecover creates temporary local copies, while AutoSave continuously saves changes to a cloud file. Your best chance of recovery is to do these steps as soon as you reopen PowerPoint. If you find multiple candidates, open each, review the content, and save the best one. That's it. By launching PowerPoint, navigating to recover unsaved presentations, opening the correct version, and saving it immediately, you can often rescue work you thought was gone.